course, Neha Goldman. So I just wanted to understand. Now we have discussed so much on sensitizing even the new recruits, existing recruits, and on different skill set, and also how as an HR professional how do we look up to them, and how do we strategize things. Now I would, as our topic is right, how do we leverage technology now, right? Or how are we, or how are you leveraging technology in order to get better insight? If I talk specifically in the roles of HR, in order to get better analytical insights of how an organization is performing, how a particular department is performing for Samita, and every year when there is time of appraisal, right, you have to take certain very crucial decisions. So how are you leveraging technology in order to do such kind of decision making?
Thank you for asking that question. I think technology is something not new to us right now, right? Whatever we do, we are sitting here, we are around technology. The same thing happens when you're also in the organization. Right from your first call from an HR to the exit interview that happens is now driven through the technology. Of course, there are human touches. You will speak to people around you, especially HRs, because HRs are there for people. But the technology has definitely improved the overall experience, especially the organizations where we want to have every employee, irrespective of the location that they are sitting, to have a seamless experience. So the technology has advanced to a level. It started with something which was very manual, like doing a paperwork, graduated to using Excel sheets, and then doing a lot of work, digital work. And now after the automation of these processes, what next? I mean, these days when sometimes I feel as though my phone is really reading my mind, because I thought about something day before yesterday and I'm seeing an advertisement of it. It has already advanced to that level. Now the question is, as an HR, how is that this technology is going to go to the next level? Understanding the morale of the employees, understanding what is that would really motivate my people to stick around, identifying who are really the good performers, rather than what is the learning plan that we can carve out for them. Like, all of us who are sitting here, all of us have a different motivation. I mean, all of us want to work is one thing. Some of us want to really learn new things, kind of advance. For some of us it could be just earning money, and that's okay. All of us have our own motivation factors. So the technology here, I would say, has really helped in understanding that. Couple of HR systems that we've implemented has been very, very focused to what is the business need, one, and two, how is that we can make it advanced by coming up with the advanced data analytics, which can help business to take better decision in terms of hiring, in terms of retention, in terms of even pivoting the strategy that is required. So I think technology has been playing a very fundamental role in taking the decisions at an organization level.